Hello kids, welcome to Smart School online classes. Today I am going to make your practice for English reading. So let's begin. Today's story is The Four Friends. In a forest there lived four friends. They were a deer, a tortoise, a crow and a mouse. Every evening they met, they talked, ate and laughed. One day the tortoise and the mouse sat nibbling on fruit, shrubs and leaves. Wonder where our friends deer and crow are, said the tortoise. Just then the crow came flying in. There is trouble, he said. What happened, dear crow? Are you fine? Asked the tortoise. I am fine, friends, but deer is in trouble, said the crow. Deer is trapped in a hunter's net. We have to rescue her. The tortoise had an idea. He said, Mouse, my friend, hop quickly on the crow's back. Go there and nibble on the net and free deer. And the crow flew off with the mouse to free the deer. Once they reached the spot, the mouse started nibbling the net. It did not take long for the mouse to free the deer. Just then, the tortoise reached the spot. Why did you come here? If the hunter returns, you will never escape, the deer cried. Just then the crow saw the hunter approaching the spot. Run, the hunter is on his way, he said. All of them ran away. But tortoise was too slow. The hunter picked him up and tied him up. Now our friend tortoise is in trouble, said the deer. The deer ran to the pond, lay down on the path. The hunter saw the deer. He thought it was dead. What will I do with the tortoise? I will take the deer, said the hunter to himself. The hunter went near the deer, but the crow darted toward the hunter and pecked at the hunter's eyes. Meanwhile, the mouse quickly cut the cords and freed the tortoise. Finally, the hunter gave up and ran away. The four friends were happy to be together again. Thank you for watching this video. You have any suggestion for us? So definitely tell us in the comment box. If this online classes is helpful, then please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And see you again in the next video. Thank you.